Top web scraping software, the guide for data extraction. Hey there. If you're looking for the best web scraping software to extract and analyze data, this video is for you. From free tools to professional platforms, we're breaking down which ones are really worth your time. Why web scraping matters in today's world. Data is gold. Web scraping lets you collect information from websites, marketplaces, or even social media automatically and efficiently without spending hours copying and pasting. What to look for in a web scraping tool. Before choosing a tool, make sure it offers support for dynamic pages, JavaScript, Ajax, etc. Structured data output CSV or JSON, a free or trial version. Compliance with website terms and privacy policies. Top web scraping software in 2025, *1, MagicalAPI equals your ultimate tool for resume parsing, LinkedIn data, and more. 2. Scrapy equals open source and free. Great for developers and data pros. Point 3. Octoparse, no coding needed. User-friendly with a free plan available. *4. ParseHub equals handles complex pages easily. Clean data, exports. Free to use options. Fire after. Top-rated web scraping software free to use. Start with Scrapy, Octoparse, or ParseHub. Their free plans are perfect for beginners or small projects. Important legal notes: always check each site's terms of service before scraping. For platforms like LinkedIn, it's best to use an official API like the one explained in MagicalAPI's blog to stay safe, compliant, and scalable. Final thoughts: web scraping turns raw online data into meaningful insights. Choose a tool that fits your goals. Start with a free version, and always scrape responsibly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which tool you're using. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Transforming careers in data analysis with the power of AI with MagicalAPI. www.magicalapi.com